Do you have bay leaves and coffee at home? Then you already have one of the most powerful natural repellents in the world, and you probably didn't even know it. Today, I'm going to show you how these two simple ingredients can protect your home from pests, improve your health, and save you money. And no, this isn't one of those overhyped internet tricks that never work. What I'm about to teach you is based on the natural power of plants, supported by centuries of popular knowledge and even scientific evidence. You won't need expensive sprays or harmful chemicals, just a few minutes of your time and ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Stay with me until the end because what you're about to discover might completely transform the way you care for your home, your health, and your peace of mind. This isn't just a simple household tip. It's a small shift that could make your daily life lighter, calmer, and a whole lot more protected. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and drop a like, because every day we bring you practical, budget-friendly tips that really work. You know that annoying buzzing sound from a mosquito when you're trying to sleep? Or that fly that shows up right after you've cleaned everything? Or worse, that unexpected cockroach visit in the middle of the night? It's frustrating, it's stressful, and let's be honest, it makes your home feel dirty even when it's not. You spend hours cleaning, organizing, trying to keep everything in order, and still the pests come back. It feels like a constant battle, and every time you think you've won, they reappear, bolder and more resistant than before. Truth is, we're surrounded by expensive products full of chemicals that promise everything but often only put our health at risk. And the worst part? We end up paying to get sick, slowly, quietly, without even realizing it. But what if I told you there's a 100% natural, effective, and easy-to-make solution, with ingredients you already have in your kitchen? Today, you'll learn how to turn bay leaves and coffee into a powerful repellent, a natural air purifier, and even a booster for your respiratory and mental health. This tip isn't just to keep bugs away. It will also clear your sinuses, ease headaches, and bring a therapeutic aroma into your home. Let's get straight to it. But before we dive in, take a moment to imagine this. Your home feeling lighter, calmer, with the air purified, and all that tension you've been carrying starts to melt away. That's the true power of natural remedies. They don't just solve a problem, they transform the environment around you. And once you feel the results, you'll never want to go back to chemical solutions again. Here's what you'll need. A handful of dried bay leaves. If they're fresh, let them dry for a few days in the sun or a well-ventilated place. Ground coffee. Yes, the dry coffee powder. Used coffee grounds won't work here. A heat-resistant container, could be a small metal lid, dish, or tin. Start by taking the bay leaves and chopping them into small pieces. The finer you cut them, the better they'll burn and release their natural properties. Now grab the ground coffee. Add 2 tablespoons of it into the container with the chopped bay leaves. Use a spoon to mix both ingredients well so they're nicely blended. And while you're preparing this, tell me in the comments, what's the insect that annoys you the most at home? I really want to know. Now let's talk about why this mixture is so effective. Coffee, when burned, releases a strong smoke with a scent that's unbearable to insects, but actually quite pleasant for us. Bay leaves release essential oils and active compounds like eugenol, which have analgesic, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and calming effects. When you light this combo, you get mosquitoes, flies, cockroaches, ants, and spiders gone, relief from headaches and migraines, clearer breathing, especially helpful for those with sinus or allergy problems, mental relaxation, and reduced stress. Amazing, right? And all of this without spending on chemical sprays that can even harm your pets. Now it's time to activate this magic. With the mixture ready in your container, grab a match or lighter and gently light a small corner of it. No need to burn the whole thing. Just a little spark is enough to get it smoking. Important tip. Do this in a well-ventilated area, but without direct wind. That way, the smoke can spread gently and effectively through the space. As the smoke begins to rise, you'll notice an immediate shift, not just in the air, but in the energy of the room. It's almost like the atmosphere resets. That heavy, stagnant feeling disappears, replaced by something lighter, more peaceful. And while it's working its magic on the insects, it's also working on you, calming your breathing, soothing your mind, and cleansing the space in a way you didn't know you needed. The smoke will last several minutes, and the scent will gradually fill the room. Within moments, you'll start noticing the difference. Insects will vanish. Your home will smell clean, almost herbal. and you'll feel immediate nasal relief, especially if you've been congested. You can use this trick in bedrooms before sleeping, kitchens after cleaning or cooking, living rooms to freshen the air or welcome guests, near windows or doors to block pests from coming in. And the best part? It fits seamlessly into your routine. No mess, no prep time, no complicated steps. Just light it, let it do its job, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your home is protected and naturally purified. It's one of those simple habits that, once you start, becomes part of your everyday care. Like lighting a candle, but with real benefits for your health and your space. Let me ask you something. Did you ever imagine something as simple as bay leaves and coffee could do all this? If you're enjoying this tip, hit that like button, comment "more tips please" below, and subscribe to the channel because I've got so much more coming your way. And listen, there's no need to use this every single day. Just 2 to 3 times a week is enough to keep your house bug-free and energetically balanced. Let's dig a little deeper. What happens in your body when you inhale the scent of bay leaf? The compounds it releases work directly on your central nervous system, helping you relax, focus better, and reduce stress. And the smoke from burning coffee? It acts as a natural purifier. It neutralizes odors, repels insects, and has a mild antibacterial effect. And all this comes without harming your health, without polluting your air, and without the side effects that come with store-bought repellents. Sprays may leave you coughing or wheezing, but this just works. Now I want you to picture this. You come home after a long day. You light this simple mix. The smoke begins to swirl gently through the room. The heavy energy lifts, the bugs disappear, your body relaxes, your mind quiets down. And you think, why didn't I try this sooner? That's the kind of experience I want for you. A lighter, healthier, more protected home. No more spending a fortune. Just listening to what nature already offers you. Bay leaf and coffee are gifts. And when used right, they can truly change the way you live. Now do yourself a favor. Try this tip today. Then come back and tell me how it went in the comments. And of course, subscribe to the channel right now because there's so much more wisdom and value coming your way. This is your space for real, effective, and affordable home remedies. Share this video with a friend who's always complaining about bugs, headaches, or bad vibes at home. They'll thank you. Thanks for watching all the way through. Stay well. May your home be full of light. And I'll see you in the next video with more natural wisdom for your everyday life. Bye.